My name is Beth Williams, and I live in Ackworth, Georgia, and I am a foster for Bosley's Place. This is Benny. Benny is a 12-week-old rescue golden doodle, and he has a spinal abnormality. It's 3 vertebrae that have sort of fused together, and so from here back, he's completely paralyzed. I think I posted in a basic, when I was a wheelchair disabilities dog group, and just said, what's the best wheelchair to get for a growing dog? Because I knew I couldn't have anything at this time, this custom or set. It has to be adjustable for him because he is going to be a large dog. So that's how I found you guys. It changed his life. He has a lot more confidence, and he right away started going. And it was like and I know he has no feeling in his back legs, but it was like he thought, oh, my legs are finally working. Like I've been trying this for so long, and look, it's working. So it was a very exciting moment. The biggest change with Benny is his confidence level. He's always been a happy puppy, but he, sparkles now, and he can play with the other dogs, and, he can actually run after them and bite at them. Before, he would hope to get them as they, ran by, but now he can actually move after them, and he can pick up toys. I think for me, the biggest thing is that he can drink food and water easier. He also has some issues with his front legs. When he sits, he slides. But when he's up, and his legs are up, he's able to eat and drink like a natural dog. Even things like, because I have to empty his bladder because he can't do that because he has no feeling. And even having just the chair for that, which, is great, because a wiggly puppy that can't stand, it's not easy. But this, I can put him in the chair, hold him up, and empty his bladder that way. So it's a very humbling experience, and I find these animals know true joy that, he absolutely lives in the moment, and he doesn't think about his differences. He just, thinks about what he does have, and that, it's pretty incredible to him. Certainly now that he got the wheelchair, because, it's really given him a life.